Clay Roberts here. Welcome back to another BTZ installation. We are a 5-star preferred company for Dreamedia. Today we're going to be installing a media room. So over here we have some Phantom 250s here. M250 Phantom Dalis, D-A-L-I. Dali, it's hard to see here. So D-A-L-I. Yeah, the light might not work. But 250s here, our center channel. We've already got these installed and cut. Center channel is a M350 Dali, D-A-L-I, Dali M350s. Very, very nice upgrade speakers here. You can see our right speaker over here, same thing. M250 Dali Phantoms. We have our Sunfire 8-inch sub here, piano finish. You can see that thick silicone border there. It's going to be nice in this room. Nice grill here. Our top heights, our mid-highs, and our rears are going to be the Dali H60s, Phantom H60s. You can see the driver and the tweeters here. They are in walls, so they're squares. We have a couple installed and holes cut in the back here. You can see we have 2 up top already installed, and then we have the 2 in the rear, the surround backs that are going to go in there. That's the holes already cut. We're just going to install them here. Running the room is going to be the Denon 3700H, an 11.2 channel AVR amplifier, audio video receiver. Very, very nice receiver. It's got built-in HEOS, Wi-Fi, Alexa, all the stuff you want in your receivers, you'll have it. The projector for this room, all right, we're gonna have the Sony is this an ES? Yeah, it's a Sony 325es, VW295ES. Very good projector. We'll show you how it looks once we have it installed. It's going to be installed up here where these HDMIs and the fire alarm. Sometimes this happens. They got the fire alarm backwards. Where the outlet is supposed to go is the fire alarm, and where the fire alarm is supposed to be, it's actually that outlet. So we might switch that. Don't know yet. Here's what I really want to talk about. To hang a projector, we're going to have the Projector XL mount. We'll show you this guy. Yeah, we'll show you this guy once we get it installed. But what I really want to talk about is the URC MRX5. So since that Harmony has gone away now, so this is $400 to get you into the entry level of URC automation. Once you spend $400 and get this part, you can now integrate your home. Say you wanted to control some other device IP in your house, that's possible. You can add things for a lot cheaper than just going in and just buying an MRX15, a giant brain, you know, all kinds of stuff. So this is your entry level MRX5. This brain here will be running this room one touch. So he comes in, he hits watch, Apple TV, Roku, something like that. He hits the button, receiver comes on, switches to the input, projector comes on, volume goes to whatever percentage, and everything from one touch. What was the 4?
4 rooms max on
okay,
the,
yes,
on the 5.
You can control up to, with the MRX5, you can control up to 4 rooms with this guy here. So today we're just going to be doing the media room, but if he wanted to add something to the game room or the living room, he could use this brain here and control those rooms. But other than that, we're going to finish this installation here, and once we're done, let's actually 120-inch Dragonfly screen. Let's go see that. So this is our 120 here. You have to build it. It takes about an hour to build. But we'll go ahead and build that, and at the end of the day, we will give you guys a full finish out demo. Thank you guys. As you can see, guys, there's one template here. You draw your template in, you cut your template out, move the installation down and up, and you will get something like this. Very nice speakers, And as you can see in here, these red clips, when I screw that in, not Phillips, can't believe that. They'll clip against the sheetrock here and keep it against the wall. It also has a little foam so it doesn't damage the wall going in. Go ahead. I don't think it's Phillips though.
I think we're more worried about damaging the speaker, not the wall. Try and get this side flat.
I don't think they're Phillips. Sure.
They're Highland.
Oh. Magnetic grills. Nice. Nice. We're gonna go ahead and cut our center channel in here below the screen. This is our screen, the bottom of our screen, that's our line there. So we'll have our speaker here. And again, projector back there and with all the equipment. Here we go, guys. You trace your template. There's this guy here. It's gonna be our template. You can see we traced it. So this happens sometimes, especially with giant center channels. That is gonna be a stud running through that. We're gonna cut that one out. We also have one here. We're gonna be cutting that one out. And then this one's fine. It's on the outside of the speaker, so we do have to cut a couple studs out. Same center channel. Like I said, we got studs here. Stud there. They'll both come out with a simple swipe of my sword. Just kidding. Bam, DeWalt. Cut them out. They're not load bearing. Be fine. So as you can see, not load bearing. Two studs. Even with the sheetrock knife form or screw. All good. Just took about 10 minutes with this guy here. And then to cut the nails off. See that nail right there? I'm gonna cut those off so it doesn't damage the speaker. Get your butts off here. Hands back here working here. You can see our template here. It's traced out. Let me see back here. Got this guy here. Speaker goes here. That's the chimney. That's the chimney.
Nice little path downstairs too.
I just want to show you cutting this real quick. Some of goes that, guys. Box is already taken out. Speaker where it goes in, or cut. Speaker goes in. Alright guys, Claire Roberts back here with the BTZ installation. This is the finish out video of our location in Plano, Texas. We are in Plano, right? Grand Prairie, Texas. We're all over the place. We got our 120-inch zero-edge Dragonfly screen. Not a Screen Innovations, this is a Dragonfly screen. Looks amazing with this half-inch velvet border all the way around. Again, like I mentioned before, we have our Phantom 250s for our front lefts and rights, and our center channel is a Phantom 350, all Dali, D-A-L-I's. Very high-end system, very nice system. Magnetic grills, white magnetic grills. You can paint these if you like. Takes a lot of time or a lot of money. Your choice. You can either get a rattle can and spray them for 4 hours, or you can get an airbrush and spend 30 minutes and $500. Back in the back, we have an 18-inch extension pole there. Let me get in front of you, sir. We have our 18-inch extension pole. We have it extended to 20 inches, plus the mount makes this drop down to about 30 inches off of the ceiling. It is a Sony 325es. Very good projector, 4K. Over here, our equipment is located in the bar area. We have the Denon 3700H with a Roku, what is it, Roku Plus Premier, one of them?
Yeah, Roku Ultra.
Roku Ultra, 4K everything in here. We also added a direct connect active cable so we can have all the video quality and resolutions that we want. And we did this receiver so we could have the power to the sound that we want. In the rear here, you can see our Phantom. You can see our Phantom H60s here. Beautiful speakers, beautiful drivers with the tweeter offset here.
I think he set the remote on the up
again, Dali's. I did. It'll stop in a second. It's fine. Just keep going. Alright. He'll edit this stuff. Dali's in wall IWs, H60s, Phantom H60s. Again, magnetic grills, beautiful. There it goes. Other than that, guys, this room is finished out. Kid me. Come on, dog. It's in his pocket or something. Okay. Other than that, this one's finished out, guys. We're here in Grand Prairie, Texas. If you would, please like, subscribe, and share this video. There's going to be many more to come. We're going to do tutorial videos, how to do RG6 connections, RCA connections, how to terminate speakers, Cat 5 wires, Cat 6 wires. There's going to be plenty more on this channel. Please, again, like, subscribe, and share. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.
Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.